Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a scroll progress bar using Framer's workshop. This will be a short tutorial as I'll also be using another Framer tool called Wireframe to quickly build a page. I'll leave the remix link in the description along with prompts too. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a new project, then click this insert and wireframe, or you can find the wireframe from here, tools, wireframe, and now enter a prompt like create a blog page in dark mode, I guess. Now click enter and wait for a little bit. As you can see, our page was created in about 10 seconds or less. Click this icon, plugins, browse all, and search for workshop. Now in this message box, write a prompt like create a scroll progress bar that fills. As I scroll down the page, click enter. Again, wait for a few seconds. Done. This is our scroll progress bar. So click this layers, drag this, drop it to the desktop. Again, drag this and drop it here. We can simply remove this. Click here, change the position type to fixed and add a Z index, I guess 10. Set the width 1200 pixel. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working, as you can see. So let's go back and click this component again. Scroll down. You can customize the progress bar's background fill color. Let's see if I change it to, I guess, this color, and fill color to, I guess, this color. Let's see. Yes, it's working, but it looks horrible. So let's undo it. You can also make the line thinner by reducing the height. I guess let's set it 5 pixel or 4 pixel. Let's see. Maybe we need to set the height 4 pixel here also. Now let's see. Yes. Maybe make it 2. It's working. Undo it. I'm curious to see how it adapts when more content is added. Click this stack and duplicate this by pressing Ctrl+D. Also duplicate this. Now let's give it a preview. Perfect. Sometimes the workshop might not give the desired result, or it could produce something unexpected. In that case, just delete the component and start again. It's rare but good to know. Also, you can add more functionality to this component. Click this edit in workshop and writing a new prompt. That's how you can easily create a scroll progress bar using prompts in under a minute. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, it would be amazing if you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's all for now. See you in the next video, inshallah.